Okay, I have some wood slabs here. These are oak. I'm using teak oil because these slabs are going to be outside. The main reason I'm using the teak oil is it says right there at the top right, UV protected. So I figure I'll give this a try. Oil it a couple times a year, whatever it takes. So I just want to show the comparison. I got the teak oil here. This is one heavy coat, and then I put another on and wiped it off. It's absorbing it like a sponge, so I may have to put some more on. But anyway, before I do this, I just wanted to show the difference. This wood's been sanded down, it's raw, but you can see the teak oils, I like it. It's really bringing out the grain. These are from the exact same tree, same log split in half. So I just wanted to show you guys the grain here. And the light isn't the best in here. So we'll see how it holds up in the weather. But like it so far. And I'm just showing you the before and after, obviously. But what I'm doing is I'm just dumping the teak oil on the bare wood and using this just to kind of stretch it over and let it absorb in. And I do that all the way down, and I come back with just the cloth. Once it soaks in, I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, I don't know, whatever minutes. And then just wipe it through. Doing the sides as well. And obviously do the bottom of it. Okay, let me see it. Can I put back a little more? Alright, so here's the old. That looks kind of funny. Anyway, and I just move it, and you can see. And the reason I'm doing this is this wood is so dry that it literally just sucks it right up. If I use that rag, it doesn't soak in as well. So I'm doing this just so I know it like really soaks in. Okay, here we are. This has been 5 months of them sitting outside. Earlier in the video is when I was first putting stuff on, stuff meaning oil. So these have been sitting outside for 5 months. I had them oiled, and I should have taken a picture beforehand, but I sanded them really lightly here just to get off some stuff, because I'm going to go ahead and oil these again. So just wanted to show everyone, they've been outside all winter, 5 months. We're in North Carolina, so you know our winters aren't too extreme. Summers, you know, it's pretty hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and oil these. Just want to show you guys the before and after of them sitting out for 5 months, and then when I oil it. And I'll probably do some more at the end of the summer. Okay, using the same oil here, teak oil. It worked pretty good last time. So the way I'm doing it is, can you see in the video? Yeah. Okay. Just gonna dump it on here, and then I'm just using putty knife just to spread it. I want to get it nice and thick, and then I'll go through with a rag and smooth it out. I want it nice and thick so I can, so it soaks in and brings out the grain. That's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a rag, like I said, and go through to get all the extra stuff, all the extra oil pulling up. So I'm not going to bore you with the details here, but I'll show you the finished product. Okay, here's after putting the oil on it, and I don't know, it's been sitting for a couple hours. I wiped off all the extra. So one thing I like about this oil is it really brings out the grain. But this is new to me, so I'll probably put another coat on it every couple months. See how it goes. Alright, you found this helpful, you know the routine. Go ahead and subscribe. Maybe I'll have some other videos for you. Thanks.